Welcome, my little apple enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of eating an apple every day. Did you know that apples are packed with nutrients that help keep our bodies healthy and strong? Apples are a great source of fiber, which is important for our digestion. Fiber helps keep our tummies happy and our poops regular. It's like a special broom that cleans up all the yucky stuff in our bellies. So, remember to munch on an apple every day to keep things moving smoothly. When you eat an apple, you're not just getting fiber. You're also getting a good dose of vitamin C, which keeps our immune system strong. That means fewer sniffles and a better chance of staying healthy and happy. An apple a day really does keep the doctor away. Now, let's talk about the correct way to eat an apple. Remember to wash it first to get rid of any dirt or germs. Then, hold it with both hands and take small bites around the sides. Be sure to watch out for the core and seeds as they're not meant for eating. What happens if you don't eat an apple every day? Well, you might miss out on all the wonderful benefits we've just talked about. Your tummy might not feel as good, and you might get sick more often. So make sure to grab that apple and take a big, juicy bite. If you're not a fan of plain apples, don't worry. There are lots of fun and easy ways to enjoy them. You can dip apple slices in peanut butter, add them to your oatmeal, or even bake them into delicious pies. Get creative and have fun with your apples. Let's do a little quiz to see if you've been paying attention. What is the main benefit of eating an apple every day? Is it A, keeping your tummy happy, B, building a tree house, or C, turning into a superhero? Remember to choose the right answer. The correct answer is A. Eating an apple every day helps keep your tummy happy and your body healthy. Great job if you got it right. Now, share what you learned about eating an apple every day with your family and friends. They might want to join in on the fun too. I hope you enjoyed learning all about the importance of eating an apple every day. Remember, a little fruit can go a long way in keeping you healthy and strong. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more tasty tips and tricks.